7 kitchen gadgets that actually save you time. Most kitchen gadgets collect dust in a drawer after the first week, but a small handful of them genuinely change how you cook, cutting your time in the kitchen by half, reducing cleanup and making healthy eating so much easier that you actually stick to it. In this video we cover 7 kitchen gadgets that are actually worth your counter space, ranked by how much real time and effort they save in a typical busy household. And stick around for number 5. It's the one gadget that consistently surprises people the most with how much it changes their daily routine. Number 1. An air fryer. If you only buy one kitchen gadget this year, make it an air fryer. It has become the most popular kitchen appliance of the past decade for one simple reason. It delivers the taste and texture of fried food using up to 80% less oil, in a fraction of the time of a conventional oven. Chicken wings in 18 minutes, crispy vegetables in 12 minutes, reheated leftovers that actually taste fresh in 5 minutes. The air fryer replaces your oven for most everyday cooking tasks, and does it faster, cheaper, and with less cleanup. For a busy household cooking weeknight meals, an air fryer saves 20 to 30 minutes of active cooking time every single day. Over a week, that's over 3 hours returned to your life from one appliance. Number 2. An instant pot or electric pressure cooker. This is the gadget that turns a 3-hour slow-cooked meal into a 30-minute weeknight dinner. An electric pressure cooker combines the functions of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, and sauté pan into one appliance, eliminating 5 separate pots from your kitchen simultaneously. Tough cuts of meat that normally require hours of cooking become tender in under 45 minutes. Dried beans that need overnight soaking cook from dry in 30 minutes. Rice, soups, stews, curries, all done faster and with less active attention than any stovetop method. For meal preppers and busy families, an electric pressure cooker is the single highest leverage appliance in the kitchen. You load the ingredients, set the timer, walk away, and come back to a finished meal. 2 down, and number 4 on this list is the one that most directly impacts how healthy you eat every single week. Keep watching. Number 3. A good quality chef's knife. This one isn't electronic and it doesn't have a single button, but a sharp, well-balanced chef's knife is the highest impact upgrade most home kitchens are missing. The difference between a cheap knife and a quality one isn't about prestige. It's about safety, speed, and enjoyment. A sharp knife cuts cleanly and predictably. A dull knife requires force, slips unpredictably, and is responsible for the majority of home kitchen injuries. A quality chef's knife also makes prep work faster. Onions, vegetables, and proteins that take 10 minutes with a dull knife take 4 minutes with a sharp one. Buy one good knife, keep it sharp with a honing rod, and it will last decades. This is the definition of buying quality once. Number 4. A food processor or high-powered blender. This is the gadget that most directly impacts how healthily you eat, because it removes the biggest barrier to cooking from scratch. Prep time. Chopping, slicing, dicing, blending, and pureeing that takes 20 minutes by hand, takes 3 minutes in a food processor. Smoothies, soups, dips, sauces, chopped vegetables for stir-fries. A high-powered blender or food processor handles all of these in seconds. When healthy food is faster to prepare than ordering takeaway, your eating habits change permanently. A decent food processor starts at around $50. A high-powered blender like a NutriBullet or Ninja starts at $80. Either one pays for itself within weeks in reduced takeaway spending alone. Number 5. A digital kitchen scale. This is the gadget that surprises people the most, and the one that changes daily cooking habits more than almost anything else on this list. A digital kitchen scale costs $10 to $20 and solves 3 problems simultaneously that most home cooks don't even realize they have. First, it makes recipes foolproof. Measuring by weight rather than volume is significantly more accurate, which is why professional kitchens use scales exclusively. Your baking will improve overnight. Second, it makes portion control effortless. Without a scale, most people consistently underestimate how much they're eating. With a scale, you know exactly what's on your plate without guessing or counting. Third, it eliminates unnecessary dishes. Weigh ingredients directly into the bowl or pan you're cooking in rather than using measuring cups and spoons. Less mess, less washing, faster prep. Almost there. And number 7 is the most underrated time saver on this entire list. Most people don't think of it as a gadget at all, but it saves more time per week than almost anything else here. Number 6. An electric kettle with temperature control. A standard electric kettle boils water, useful but limited. A temperature-controlled electric kettle boils water to any specific temperature you choose, and this matters more than most people realize. Green tea brewed at 100 degrees tastes bitter. At 75 degrees, it tastes clean and smooth. Pour over coffee at the wrong temperature produces flat, under-extracted results. Baby formula, delicate teas, French press coffee, all require specific temperatures for the best result. Beyond quality, a temperature-controlled kettle is also faster than heating water on a stovetop, and more energy efficient than reboiling a full kettle for a single cup. A small upgrade with a disproportionate daily impact for anyone who drinks tea or coffee regularly. Number 7. A set of glass meal prep containers. This is the most underrated time saver on the list, and most people don't think of it as a gadget at all. A set of good quality glass meal prep containers with airtight lids fundamentally changes your relationship with food preparation and weekly eating. When you have the right containers, meal prepping on Sunday becomes fast and satisfying. You cook once and have ready-to-eat meals for 4 to 5 days. No daily decision fatigue about what to eat. No last-minute takeaway because there's nothing ready. No plastic containers that stain, warp, or leach chemicals into your food when heated. Glass containers are microwave-safe, dishwasher-safe, freezer-safe, and last year's without degrading. A set of 10 costs $30 to $60 and pays for itself in the first week of saved takeaway spending. The right kitchen tools don't just save time, they make healthy eating easier, reduce food waste, cut your grocery and takeaway bill, and make the whole experience of cooking less stressful and more enjoyable. You don't need all 7 of these at once. Start with the air fryer, if you want maximum, immediate impact. Add the food processor when you're ready to eat healthier, without more effort. Build your kitchen toolkit gradually, and choose quality over quantity every time. Subscribe to Live Smarter Daily for weekly videos on money, health, productivity, and home. Everything busy adults actually need to know. See you in the next one.